Welcome to my channel. We are about to do a wash and go, and for this wash and go I used the LCO method. I don't know, whatever, scrap it. In my hair I use the Mielle Organics as my styler. So this is the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Curling Custard. It says enhances curls with deep definition, thick type for hair. So this is what I use. It smells really good. It's more of a goopy texture. If you look at it here. And then as my leave-in, I use the Loreal. As my leave-in, I use the Loreal Protein Recharge Almond and Protein Leave-In Conditioner. It's for damaged hair. So this is what it looks like here. So I brought both of these in my last curly hair haul from Target, but I've been using this all month for different styles as my leave-in. So I wanted to see how it would hold up within my wash and go. I think I used it in one other wash and go. I can't remember, but if I do, I'm gonna link it below. But yeah, I used this today, and it was super moisturizing. This is not typically marketed for people who have curly hair. It's really just, you know, for damaged hair. But I like using stuff like this as a protectant. This is very, very moisturizing. It goes through your hair like butter. My hair is really thick, as you can see, and it still moisturized my hair thoroughly. It moisturized my hair thoroughly. It actually made my hair feel really buttery. It helped me get the product through. It helped me detangle. It was all of the above. It was very, very good. And then to help it absorb in my hair, which was my problem the last wash and go that I did, I think I used it in another wash and go. I can't remember. But whenever I used this the last time within a wash and go, I don't know if I recorded it or not, but I had trouble with this absorbing into my hair or like not flaking or anything like that. So what I did this time is I put it in my hair for a section, and then I basically used the plastic cap, and when I got in the shower I just let the steam hit it. So I put like a wet rag in the microwave and put it inside my plastic cap and let that serve as like my heat source or whatever. And I just let the steam from that, you know, penetrate the leave-in into my strands. So that worked way better for me. And then I went back and then did my wash and go with the Mielle Organics separately. So I haven't ever tried that before, separately doing my products. I usually just do them all at the same time while I'm sitting down to do my hair. But I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers do that. So I was like, you know what, let me see if it works better or not. They always say like, oh, leave it in, put it in and put your leave-in in a shower or whatever. But I don't do that because I don't do my hair in the shower. I don't wash my hair in the shower. I wash my hair at the sink. So me doing all that at the sink kind of defeats the purpose, because I definitely don't even do my hair at the sink. So I don't know how to explain what I'm trying to say. But so yeah. So we can talk about the Mielle Organics now. This stuff is very moisturizing. It reminds me of when I did my wash and go with the Lotta Body Styling Foam. This is very goopy. It reminds me of the, what's it called? The Biotin Infused. What is that? This. It reminds me of the Main Choice in the texture that it is. Both very goopy. But this one is... Sorry. This one is not as much hold as the Main Choice. The Main Choice is very goopy and it's thicker. This is very thin. This reminds me more of the custard from like Can 2, that goopy snot type of texture, but it's very thin and it glides onto your hair. It, you know, it gives you, I feel like it gave me some kind of shine, but I can't tell with my hair right now as it's drying. Maybe later. I applied a lot, as you can see. I'm going to put clips in the video of me doing my hair. So this came out really, really nice. It's going to be a really fluffy wash and go. It doesn't give you as much hold. It gives me a little definition, definitely gave me a lot in the back, but I think that just has a lot to do with the fact of how my hair is. I've said it several times in several videos that the back and sides of my hair are more coiled than the top. My top is very loose in texture, so I honestly don't know if this had anything to do with that. It just feels like it's going to be a fluffy wash and go, kind of like I said, my Lotta Body, and I'll insert a picture or a clip from that video so you can see. If you want to check out that video, I'll link it above as well. But yeah, So this is saying, this claiming deep definition. It's claiming hello moisture and enhances for deep definition for thick type 4 hair. I don't think it does that. I think that it is definition, and it's saying like on the scale of like definition is saying deep definition, but then it's saying like the hold or the consistency of it is light. So this is a very light hold. Definitely, I would agree with that. But if you're not looking on the back of here, like where it has their scale, and you just read this, you're going to assume that it's going to give you a very heavy hold, like a gel or like any other styling type of product or whatever. I really do like the way that it comes out. I love the way my hair looks. I know it's going to turn out, well, I hope it's going to turn out really nice. I've been doing my best not to mess up, you know, the pattern or give myself any extra frizz or anything. But I may use a blow dryer to blow dry my hair just because I have somewhere to go after this. But for the most part, I really like the way this turned out. I love the way it felt. It was very moisturizing and it helped detangle. I did the prayer hands method for the first time ever. Like, my hair is long enough for me to even get my whole palm of my hands on it and slide it down. So I did do a little bit of that, and I feel like it helped a little bit, but like I said, this isn't a strong hold type of product, so it didn't really give me tons and tons of like structure, if that makes sense. So, like, my curls came out definitely, but they're like not as present as they would be if I was to use like a gel or something like that. Well, I hope it's going to turn out really nice. I've been doing my best not to mess up, you know, the pattern or give myself any extra frizz or anything. But I may use a blow dryer to blow dry my hair just because I have somewhere to go after this. But for the most part, I really like the way this turned out. I love the way it felt. It was very moisturizing and it helped detangle. I did the prayer hands method for the first time ever. Like, my hair is long enough for me to even get my whole palm of my hands on it and slide it down. So I did do a little bit of that, and I feel like it helped a little bit, but like I said, this isn't a strong hold type of product, so it didn't really give me tons and tons of like structure, if that makes sense. So, like, my curls came out definitely, but they're like not as present as they would be if I was to use like a gel or something like that. So one thing I do want to add is that my hair feels really moisturized. So it's completely dry at this point, and I have like this residue on my hands, but it's not like a cast or like annoying thing. I can just, when I touch my hair, I can feel that it's moisturized. And at the end, I did add the Beyond Sun Turn the Heat Up spray. This is like a heat protectant, but it's also a lightweight hair oil, and it is very moisturizing. But even that, like, I feel the Mielle Organics through that, and I feel like everything is working together, like, very cohesively. So that's what I wanted to add in there. So yeah, this is how my hair turned out, and I like it pretty much. I don't like it as much as I like my Lotta Body foaming mousse wash and go, but this is really nice. It's a close second. But yeah, so this is how my hair turned out. I'm definitely going to give a look of what it looked like after it's actually dry. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. If this was helpful for you, if you want to use these products, I'll link them down below. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you fuck with the videos, just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.